Let's reset the oil change indicator in this 8th gen Civic. That's 2006 through 11. So we're going to take the key and put it in the on position. Okay, with the key on, you'll probably see your oil percentage here. If you don't see it, you need to press the select button over here on the left side of the console until you get to the little screen showing oil life percent. And then to reset it, you just hold down this select button for about 10 seconds until that starts to flash. All right, it takes quite a while. And then now we're going to press it down again for about half as long as that, and it should reset it to 100% oil life left. So I'm holding it down now. There it goes, 100% left. And that's it. So now when I'll turn my key off, I'll start my car up, and that oil life's at 100, and that light has gone away. So that's how you reset your oil change light. All right, thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.